Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'll show you 3 money making apps that I earned cryptocurrency and PayPal with, and if they're actually worth the time or not. I hope you enjoy. The first application I earned cryptocurrency with was Bitcoin Collector, earn BTC. Look, when it comes to real money making applications that will actually pay you for your time, applications like these generally rely on advertisements, and that's something you have to understand before going into it, everyone. The amount of cash that you can actually generate really does depend on the ads you see and how frequently. Now, this is what it looks like when you first launch it up. Top right corner of the screen, you have your Satoshi. Underneath that, you have the in-game currency. This in-game currency can be used for upgrades or in-game items. But tapping on the Satoshi symbol is going to take you to the earnings area, and here you can see I've earned 79 and also redeemed 79 Satoshi in total. There is also a lucky wheel system. Every single day you can spin this prize wheel to win the in-game currency and even a scratch card. They also have a challenge mode available with various levels that you can go through to try and get a 3-star rating, but you need to actually know how to play the game first, so let me just show you that. Tapping on the play button is going to give you a very simple layout here. You have your cash in the middle of the screen, and then you have boxes that you need to put your cash into. Now, just a reminder, this is not the real money cash in the middle of the screen there, okay? But what we need to do is try and get these numbers as low as possible, because we'll actually take the profit after breaking even. So as you can see, I'm just filling this up with cash right now to get it as low as possible, but not too low to where we actually break even, because what I'm going to do right now is chuck the $100 note into the box, and I've just made $98 profit. Again, that's in-game currency, so just to be clear there. Same exact concept for the VIP box, everyone. You want to fill it up, but don't fill it up too much, because then you can make a great profit with the big notes, which I just did again. Now we'll throw a 30% discount there into that box to reduce it heavily. Then we'll throw all our cash into that box. Again, being mindful of where and how we're putting the money in, because we want to try and make sure we get as much profit as possible. So a little bit of maths will come into play here, ladies and gentlemen, so you do have to know your numbers just a tiny bit. It's a very straightforward game. As you can see, the number's now $9. Let me just put the coins in there as well. And now we chuck the $100 note in there, and we just made $90 profit. I did just quickly want to say, everyone, if you enjoy what I do here on YouTube every single week, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Without you all watching, I would not be here, so thank you all so much. And realistically, that's all there is to the game, guys, okay? But what will happen now is that you can watch an advertisement in return for, let's say, 3 times or 2 times the bonus. And generally, that's what I do, because then I find the real Satoshi will come into play. So we'll just watch the ad now. Okay, so now that that's done, everyone, I now have a piggy bank that I can fill up by, again, watching an advertisement or continuing to play the game, but I'll watch the ad now. Now that that's done, if we press play again, you can see Satoshi has actually dropped. And there we go, everyone. We just got 7 Satoshi technically for watching 2 advertisements with that 1 level. Now, it's not going to break the bank by any means, okay? But when it comes to real money-making applications and getting paid, my job is to test them to make sure they actually keep their word. You can also watch advertisements that float around the screen for various little bonuses, but I'm uncertain if that's actually going to give you extra Satoshi or not. You'd think the more ads, the better, right? Either way, this is a very fun little game for what it is. If you want to generate around 50 cents or so per hour, depending on your country. They do have like a little item area as well if you want to furnish your house, but again, that's kind of irrelevant probably to what you're looking for today. Now, they do even have a shop system here as well where you can purchase permanent upgrades for your account, but again, as a free user, you're probably not going to worry about this area at all. So did Bitcoin Collector actually pay me? Minimum cash out is 10 Satoshi, so that's like 1 or 2 levels in theory. I withdrew my 79 Satoshi last night to my Zebedee wallet, everyone, because you will need this application, and interesting enough, I was paid out instantly without any issues at all. So I managed to earn around 11 cents worth of Australian currency in roughly 20 minutes or so. I can appreciate when a developer actually keeps their word, okay? So even though it's not the best money-making app or something that's going to make you rich or even really that much money, at least they keep their word and pay you instantly. It's nice to see. So either way, everyone, that is Bitcoin Collector. Let's move on to the next app. Next up, we have Mahola, earn cash for surveys. Now, getting paid from surveys is probably one of the most frustrating things to do online, in my opinion, when it comes to the money-making sphere, everyone, okay? This situation with screen outs and disqualifications affects everyone. The sad truth is though, some people just have much better luck with surveys than others, okay? Either way, this is what Mahala looks like when you first launch it up. At the top of the screen, you'll find your currency of pure cash. $5 is the minimum cash out here in Australia. And in the middle of the screen, you have all your survey options. Now, this reminds me a lot, everyone, of Atapol. Whether or not that's done on purpose, I'm not too sure, but I just get Atapol vibes straight away. But from what I can see here, the prices are actually pretty average to a little bit above average depending on the survey length and the difficulty. There is also a star-based rating, like for this $1.59 survey. It's a 3 out of 5 star rating here, but it's going to take us 30 minutes almost. Now, to be fair, again, screen outs and disqualifications are going to happen no matter what. I think I got screened out of a majority of the surveys I try to complete, easily 5 to 10, before I was able to get you the footage today that I needed. We do have a few higher paying surveys, like this 26-minute survey for $1.31, a $2.16 survey for 44 minutes, a $1.59 survey for 29 minutes, and then the rest hovers around 30 to 60 cents or so. What people like to do is aim for the highest rated ones, because generally that's what the community states say is the easiest to complete, or they're able to actually complete. On Mahala though, at least here in Australia, I can earn around $5 per hour if I don't get disqualified from every single survey. Now, they do even have an arcade section. This is a playtime rewards area, which I feel like the pay rates just aren't there right now, at least here in Australia. For this Happy Colour colouring book offer, I can get 56 cents per task, up to almost $2 there. This is not a per minute system, this is the per task system, everyone. So I'll have to actually complete certain objectives, in this case, colour in pictures, to a certain amount to actually get the rewards, which for these rates, I've seen higher in other applications for sure. They do also have a referral system here as well, and I'm not too sure exactly if you get a bonus for joining up through my code or not, but as you can see, the code is on the screen. If you guys want to support me, I'll get $2 for you guys joining up, and 10% of your survey earnings for free without affecting you, plus apparently 2% of what your friends earn as well, supposedly. If you like the content I do and you want to support me this way, you can with this code. I'd appreciate it a lot. If you want to enter my referral code, you go to profile and then you go to enter referral code. Now, with the cash out system, I either have PayPal currency or bank transfer. For today's video, I obviously went PayPal cash. And here you can see, everyone, I did cash out $5.14 worth of currency. And I have to say, guys, I was paid out instantly without any issues whatsoever. It is fantastic to see a new instant money making application for surveys. So that's Mahala, everyone. It does pay instant PayPal money for surveys. Let's move on. Next up, we have Blids. Shop, deals, earn money. This one is pretty controversial, everyone, okay? Because we have some problems here that we need to discuss, and even though it may be a legitimate application that you can make money on, that doesn't necessarily mean it doesn't have its own pitfalls and things you need to worry about. It's a very weird case today. So this is what it looks like when you first launch it up. At the top right corner of the screen, you have your balance. As you can see, I have almost 3,000 of these points. In the middle of the screen, you'll notice that my balance states that I have $4.31. Now, what this is to me is some sort of attempt to turn like a drop shipping platform into a money making app. It's a very weird concept to me, and it seems like it's really been built to try and get money out of the users. Let me just break it down. First of all, they do let you cash out 10 cents per day for free. But if you join their Plus program, you can then cash out $5.90 worth of currency. So what they actually do is limit your account and your balance and what you can withdraw depending on if you have a premium subscription or not. It costs $27.99 per month, everyone. But they do claim you can make $30 a month with a $1 daily payout. You also get free shipping, shopping cashback, and unlimited free deals with their team buy feature. I'm gonna choose the option to get paid my 10 cents PayPal right now. So now they throw up the options of PayPal, Amazon gift card, Starbucks gift card, Walmart gift card, Target gift card, and even a Best Buy gift card. I'm gonna select PayPal. Now it's supposedly sending the money, and apparently it's been sent. Looking back at my balance, it seems it has been deducted, and we'll get back to that in a moment. Let me just break down the other earning features. So first of all, you have the spinning wheel. This works exactly how you think it would work for a spinning wheel system, everyone. In fact, you get 3 a day and they recharge throughout the day. Let me just press spin now. Hopefully we get something decent, and nearly got the win all. So I got 10 of the points there. As you can see, 261 of the points converts into 26 cents, so roughly 1,000 points is $1. Let's spin again, here we go, and 10 again. That's pretty brutal. They also have like a money drop system where I can claim right now, so we'll do that. Okay, got 3 of the points, 6 of the points, 7 of the points, 10 of the points, 14 everyone. Again, there's a clear breakdown of the currency. And they even have a mystery box system available every day. Let's see what we get here, everyone. You've earned 3 points, supposedly. Why doesn't it tell me how many? Alright, let's see. What did I get? And that did not even go up at all, so I got nothing. Now, they do even have like a treasure hunting system as well. Let's see what we can get here. Supposedly, the treasure of the day is a Louis Vuitton wallet, everyone. And I just got 10 Blitz bucks instead. So they pretty much flood you with all these like little daily activity. I currently have 830 of the Blitz bucks. And with that, you go to the point shop. And here's where things really start to get suspicious. So you'll notice that all of these items are supposedly free, everyone, because I have the Blitz bucks. Now, when in your life have you ever heard anything to be free? So let's just say I want to get this little pig. Tapping on that is going to reveal the actual item and reviews, which I find the same reviews have been used through different products. Is again very suspicious. But let's buy with 0 points. So for me to actually place this order, I will need to enter in information in regards to my Google Pay account. Now that alone is not really a problem. You'd expect some sort of information to be shared when you're buying something online, but upon further investigation into these type of items that you can purchase that are supposedly free, like let's just say I want this portable speaker here, okay? That's free. Now you'll notice straight away it's not actually free at all. In fact, to buy it alone, it costs $7.56. But no, that's not actually the price at all, because if you actually try and order it, you can see here straight away that it's going to cost me $19, and that's only because it thinks I'm going to join up to the Plus program. If I turn the Plus program off, it then jumps up to $26.91, which is essentially just an average drop-shipped item purchase. Now, what if you start a team buy on it? So with the team buy, you do get quite a big discount. As you can see, it's dropped to $11.60 without the Plus membership. And when I turn it on, it goes down to nothing, by the way. So then it's free. But at that point, you need to either invite someone to join your little team buy, so they sign up as well and enter in their information, or supposedly a random person on the platform can join your team buy as well. Now here's the thing, everyone, there is a video watching portion to this app. In fact, we can play their version of Candy Crush or Money Mamba, which is simply snakes. I found that this really wasn't worth the time. In fact, watching the videos was much easier, because clearly you have to progress throughout the levels to get different rewards. So the deeper you get into it, maybe it might be worth it, but who has the time? Now with the watch area, this is where things change a bit. I can now spin the wheel again because I watched the video today. Let's see what we land on, and still 10 of the points. Pretty frustrating. But when you go through and watch the videos, ladies and gentlemen, you can generate between 1 to 5 points, I found. It seems you can just keep on doing this, by the way, and you can even earn spins in return. So here's the real problem, guys. Blitz did actually pay me 2 separate times on 2 separate days 10 cents worth of currency, so it will pay you your PayPal cash. But that's as a free user, and I feel like they do this to try and hook you in, because upon further investigation, hundreds of people have claimed credit card fraud with this application after entering in their details. Like, this is no joke, everyone. I have to say, I haven't really seen an application have this many negative reviews in situations like this, with funds being removed from a card. It might be legitimate when it comes to the cash outs. Everything else is so suspicious, and in my opinion, not worth your time at all. Who wants to risk their credit card information for a few cents every day? Just stay safe out there, alright? It's 100% up to you what you want to do with your time, but I'm not risking any type of credit card information, especially for a drop shipping application that has terrible reviews about stealing money, apparently. Again, that's just an opinion. You do whatever you want with the information that's online. Either way, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you all did enjoy. Check out my channel for almost 1,000 money making reviews. Stay safe out there.